So I want to make Moi Moi Elewe with these leaves, and I have my beans, tatashi, onions, pepper, and I also have a bit of palm oil there, and just about 2 tomatoes or 1 tomato. So I'm going to blend all this together. So come with me. I'll go in with some water. This is the Moi Moi. See how fluffy it is? It's already the batter for the Moi Moi, as you can see. Next, I'll be going in with some hot oil. This just adds extra flavor to the food. I need to mix that up really nicely. It adds extra taste. So as you can see, my Moi Moi batter is thick, and the reason why it's thick is because I have the water that I used to boil the fish, and I'm going to be adding it before I go in with my salt. It has onions, it has Maggi and salt, seasoning cube and salt. So I'm just going to stir that very well and test it to know if I need to add more before I start putting in my Moi Moi batter in the Moi Moi leaves. So let's just taste that. So I need to go in with some salt. I'm adding seasoning cube, and then I'm adding some salt. Then I'm going in with some Titus fish. I already deboned it because of the children, and I'm going to give that a good mix. Now it's time to put the batter into the wrap. Pray for me that I get it right. So this is our Moi Moi. We have successfully wrapped it. Hope it doesn't spill. Then I have one extra that I put in this pouch. So I'm just going to close that and allow it to cook. So I have a bit of some stir fries. I'm adding some green vegetables inside it. Lots of fresh green vegetables from the garden. And then I'll add some carrots. And then I'll add some peppers and allow this to steam. The land of the world.